Friday evening in my life. Happy Friday everyone. So I want to bring you along a Friday evening in my life when I'm not out seeing with friends, partying. A weekend is normally a time for me to spend time with my friends. But today I got plans cancelled on me. JK, I was actually kind of looking forward to just staying in and studying. So that's partially what I'm going to do. Also going to get a hold of my life. I'm going to have, I don't know if this is going to be a part of a different vlog or if it's going to be its own vlog. But I'm planning on self-tanning, maybe doing a face mask, studying, tidying my room, doing my washing. I don't know, maybe that's a bit ambitious of me. I also kind of want to film a video, so I think that's kind of ambitious of me. But I guess the first thing I'm going to do is fake tan. Tomorrow it's Saturday and I actually have a dinner I'm going to. A dinner slash party, I'm not really quite sure. But I just had a shower, as you can see. I've been working since 7 this morning, finished at 2. It's currently like 4 o'clock-ish, I'm pretty sure. And look at the state of my room, it is hideous. And there's just a casual Kit Kat open lying there. Yeah, it's 4:30. Currently going to listen to Svag, Victor Leksells new song, Swedish dude. Let's fake tan. The wrists are always like the risky part to do, and the hands. Important to wash your hands after this, especially me because I have so dry hands. A tip is, I mean, you guys probably already know this, and I have done a self-tan routine video before, but put moisturizer on your dry parts like your elbows. Some people get it here, your knees, your ankles, places that get dry. Very good tip. So I've done my fake tan now. I'm in this big top that I'm just going to use when I tidy my room, and because I don't want to get obviously fake tan on stuff. I haven't done my face yet because I want to do my skincare routine and like moisturize it first. Actually, the thing is, if I'm going to film a video, actually no, I don't think I'm going to film a video because I got the wrong sizes. That's a tricky one. Okay then, I'll wait for my tan to dry a bit because I don't want it to get driplets down my neck. That could be risky. Where did I put my mitt? Okay, so I'm gonna tidy my room while I listen to some music. Also gonna do my hair care routine. I have a video on it, I can link it down below. Actually my face feels so dry, guys. What I do then for a quick fix is my rose water spray or aloe vera spray, depending on what I have home. There's a tiny bit left, like I use this every day, no joke. Oh my god, I got it on my arm. Please don't say I'm gonna get little spots. Hopefully not. Oh my god, that literally looks so wrong. I guess that means that it's starting to run out. That wasn't a good mist. Let's go again. Oh my god, no. Look guys, well, before I also need to hoover and stuff. Probably won't do that today because CBA. Okay, let's tidy. That didn't go far. I had to be social and answer some Snapchats, which is what I like doing when I'm having a night by myself, because then I can still feel social, which is like probably such a crazy need that today's youth have, to always feel social with someone. But anyway, yeah, now that's done. I also realized I didn't freaking shave my legs before putting fake tan on, so well, that's fun. Actually, my legs aren't going to be on show, so I don't even need to shave them. Okay, let's get back to tidying. This is why things take so long in my life. I procrastinate and I find better things to do. Like this is me procrastinating actually studying for 2 assignments I have next week, so that's freaking fun. Now let's take this pile of dirty clothes down. It's literally scary down here, so there's that. Literally gonna fall down these steps. No one's gonna know I'm dead because my family's away. I hate this. Oh. So I've been starting working out a lot more with my friend Amy, and that is just so much fun. I love it, and I'm really getting back into the swing of it. I ordered new AIM workout wear. It wasn't gifted or anything, it was really expensive, but so worth it. I don't know, I just love it. Okay, I kind of need to sort this out and see what there's most of, because there's just so many things and I don't know what I want to wash first, so I'm going to do that on a time lapse. First wash is in, it's gonna take 38 minutes. Okay, skincare time. I just put my second load in the dishwasher and made my bed. I was gonna change my bed sheets, but I couldn't find any white ones. My face is like so dry, so I'm thinking I want to do like a moisturizing face mask. My face first. Time for toner. If you want an updated skincare routine, like, please let me know. And I want to use a face mask that I got in my Lumine calendar because I haven't used one yet. I've got a few here, I think. Okay, I've got this one, Nordic Hydration Gel Mask. So I'm going to use this little tester. It's a Lumine Nordic Hydration Recovery Gel Mask. I've used this once before and I didn't wash that off, and I'm fine after that because it says you can even sleep with it. So I was like, what's the point of even washing it off? I'm gonna have this on for as long as I feel like, and then I'm gonna do my face fake tan. I'm working tomorrow morning. Well, I start at 9:45, so it's not very early. I've been starting like 6 and 7 these last few days when I've been in the elderly home. It just like sinks into your skin. Like, I can hardly feel I've got it on now. I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit here on my makeup table, and then I'm gonna sit myself down and study. I didn't even notice. I've got TikTok songs stuck in my head 24/7, so that's fun. This is what I've done with my makeup table. Nothing much, just put everything where it's supposed to be. And here I have my like beauty drawer, which is like way too packed. Oh, just got fake tan on my mat. Isn't that fantastic?
Bust the key open and I tell her bring it back.
Why have I got that song on my mind? That's what happens when you don't have the lid on, kids. That's pretty much gone now. You can't see that, no. So yeah, this drawer is pretty much like chock-a-block. I've got some travel things, some nail things there. Got some more little travel things. I mean, it's not very organized. I actually ordered new fake tan the other day from Coca Brown, and I didn't realize I had one Loving Tan left. One of my Loving Tans is like green, so I don't dare use that one, but this one was fine. Still haven't really organized it. I've got so many clothes that I need to like just give away because I'm just not going to be able to sell them, and I might as well just give them to charity. But okay, I need to sort my rubbish out here. I'm gonna do that now. Put like the plastic in a bag and the cardboard in a bag, and I'm gonna like put it in my car so I can take that one day. I wear this way too much. Hate my rubbish bin. Said this for a while. I need a new one. Currently 6:30. Gonna take the rubbish that I've accumulated down. Loving this face mask. I also bought myself some chip crisps up, you know, it's Friday. Not that I care, like, I've been eating sweets and stuff the whole week. I don't limit myself. I literally just eat whatever whenever I feel like it, and it feels so good, so you guys should do that too. This will go in the pants, if you know what that is. We've got our pant here. Let's see if I can... Frick! Oh well, they'll see that. I'm also going to organise with some of my clothes here. This won't be any point in selling. Maybe to my friends. Actually no, I don't think anyone's going to want that. This is a bag of things I'm going to give to charity, I think. Okay guys, I've got my water, got my chocolate, got my crisps, got my somewhat tidier room. Like I could go all in, but I have studying to do. That thing's up just because I know like I probably need to film a video soon and I can't be able to take it down. I haven't got the huge wash pile anymore. These are trousers that I need to see if I want to change the size or not. I got them in a smaller size, but they're like so tight. But the lady said that they would stretch out and that I should walk a little bit in home with them, so that's what I'm trying to do. And yeah, that's for a video from Lounge, so yeah, love Lounge. That's wine for tomorrow, so like I could hide that. I got this back from my mum's because I needed to bring things home. Maybe I should open that. Maybe that would look cuter. It's literally broken. No, this thing's just fallen off. I feel like that's gonna close at night and really scare me. Maybe I shouldn't have it open. It's not got a record on or anything, so.
Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song.
I'm gonna put some of this in my wardrobe because it looks absolutely bad. I should really tidy this part out because there's like old boxes, a wig. It looks like I murdered someone. I also need more hangers there. I've got this baby one. Like, how do you think that's gonna help me? Rachel, thanks a lot. Also got this new hoodie from, it's gifted. It's from a local brand, so I'm gonna post an Instagram for them. Oh, it's actually really soft in. Oh my god, cute. It's the perfect amount of oversized. Okay, I'm just gonna chill my new hoodie, kill that stupid fruit fly.
I'm gonna get out of my room.
And start studying, I guess. Okay, we love that. My legs would be so much nicer if they were shaved right now, so anyway. Who gives a damn? Yes, this is where I've dumped all my dishes. Okay, they're not mine. That's mine. I'm gonna take this down, don't worry. And I feel like if I'm gonna study, I should sit here. Actually, no, because it looks like shit here. Now that I've tidied my room, I might as well utilize this space that I've created for myself. Oh, it looks cozy. Doesn't that look quite cozy? Yeah. In my opinion, it does, so. I'm gonna sit down and study. I don't know if this is the end of this video. We'll see, guys. I will catch up with you. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I forgot to update you guys. I'm so sorry, like from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys can forgive me, but I'm kind of scared to say this. Oh my god, I can't say this. I forgot to film when I was putting my fake tan on my face. Can you tell I haven't talked to a human in like several hours? Oh my god, I can't believe myself. I'm like actually an introvert. Like, but why am I all of a sudden obsessing over that I'm alone on Friday night? Like, it's fine. I like it. I kind of secretly wanted my friend to cancel plans with me so I could chill. I know I said I was going to study. I've done like the tiniest effort. Like, I've read like 2 pages and just like wrote a few sentences. And the other time I've been scrolling TikTok. What else have I been doing? I've been scrolling Twitter, Instagram, going on Snapchat, you know, everything you can do to avoid studying. Eating Kit Kats, eating my Lays. It's been a good time. It's 8 o'clock. I've also switched my lights off, which is like dangerous because that will make me tired. And I've been debating watching Atypical, guys. Like, I love that show. It is so good. It's like the best chill series that you can watch without it getting like too serious, and you have to like follow every second of it. Also, I want to start watching this Spanish series. I watched 1 episode of it because I wanted to watch it so I can like watch Netflix but still feel like I'm studying, because I'm studying Spanish and I need to like, I feel like watching this series will make it a lot easier to learn and understand the language. It's called La Casa Pepa. I actually don't know what it's called. I put it on my list. Let me see. My friend has watched it and she said it was good because we only watched the first episode together and we were like, I thought it was called like La Casa. Oh, is it called Money Heist? Or maybe that's the English name. Money Heist. To be honest with you guys, I can't really be bothered to start watching the new series right now because I've only got like 1 season of Atypical left and I kind of want to watch that. So I'm going to show you some of my new favourite songs, I feel like. Also, my hair looks so ginger in this lighting. Okay, let's go. This is my New Year's playlist that I've been listening to a lot. I'm sorry I'm looking so ratchet right now. Oh, that was bad. Okay, I found this song today. It's called We. I feel like this song is Swedish as well. I just thought I heard Swedish, but I thought it was French first. This is like a really old song. Street Ham. Street Ham? Can it really be called that? I don't really know. Look, I grew up in Streatham. This is iconic. I can't believe Dave is 19. Disaster. Jay has some Dave. An iconic duo. An oldie but a goldie. Actually, is it even old? I feel like it is. But...
My brothers don't die, we just rusty bark. I tell you, got to link me at the coffee shop.
I don't know how I've slept on this song, but like it's not okay. Also an oldie. I'm gonna sit down. And then some Swedish. We have Me and More. I'm gonna see him soon, so I'm like very excited about that.
If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe?
Just realised I've got washing in the washing machine. And my camera's gonna die, so I guess I'm gonna stop with this music thing and like be productive again. So like, I guess thanks for watching this video because it's long enough now. Don't know if it was interesting at all, and like, I love you all so much. Please request videos because like I want to make videos that you guys want to watch. Like my recent videos have been getting like hardly any views compared to what they used to get, and I know like it's not all about views, but like it's such a drastic difference, so kind of need to do like some more routine videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, adios. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias if you aren't already.
Never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye.